5, 10, 12.
What's the price of this one?
$20.
20. Beautifully packaged.
Yeah, that's a 1 liter.
Okay. All from local?
New Dundee. Yeah, Kitchener.
Kitchener.
Yes. Yep.
That's the other way.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep. There's some tomatoes or
Tomato there? Or type of tomato?
those pimentos.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they're
Gotcha.
peppers.
Yeah.
But they're a thick wall. They're really sweet.
Yeah.
Yep.
See a lot of people. Maybe
Hello. Oh, the ladies got strawberries, peaches. Any Concord grapes at all?
They're not ready yet. These are Cornations, so
Cornation.
they're seedless, but they're like the Concords.
Oh, okay. There's a perfect dog for Polly. Polly, you want a dog, man? I don't think he's impressed, man.
it'd be a nightmare for her. It's probably better out where it is for her.
Polly, you want to say anything to the people? No? Maybe? You're on, man. There's a bee looking at you, too.
Mixture of
How much are these? So they're $8 each, 2 for 23 or 6 for 40. But if you're doing like the warmer and 3 bars, it is a combo price. I'm gonna have to double check. It's just 47.
so 3.
Yeah. Cookies made with butter, butter tarts.
Oh, we got the organic tea going on here, boy.
Okay, there we go. No problem. And a discount for ourselves. Oh, thank you.
Hi there.
How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm always great, man. What we got today?
We have jams, jellies, chutneys, marmalades, chili sauce, relishes, pickled beets, raw honey, and salad dressing.
How many times have you said that for today?
Quite a bit.
Yeah?
Our cheese comes from Simcoe, Ontario.
Okay.
Our jams and jellies are from Elmer. Our honey's from Fenwick. And our famous dressing is from St. Catharines.
St. Catherine, just down the road, right?
Just down the road. Our cheese sticks are roughly 230 grams a stick.
Okay.
They look like this. And how we age it is underneath the ground in vaults with cork-lined walls.
Okay.
So it's unpasteurized. We bring our temperature to 140 instead of a full 180.
Yeah.
And your 5-year-old's gonna have a lot of crystals in there, which makes it nice and sharp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, man.
You're welcome.
The pie guys. Yet I see one guy. So we got scones. Yo, that's my weakness, man. We got scones, yeah? What kind are these?
Wild blueberry and lemon.
Wild blueberry and lemon. And they're what, $10?
Yes, sir.
$10. What else do we got?
Don't got much left. I came here with everything on the menu today. I have a few pies left, some sticky buns. We only do those on Saturdays, and my 1 pack of muffins there.
Oh, okay. What's your best seller?
My my pies. I brought about 40 pies with me today. My personal favorite is the sour cherry.
Okay.
Sticky buns we will do on Saturday. They are ridiculously good.
Yeah, I'm diabetic, man. Yo, I love the stuff, but yeah, I wouldn't mind the scones though. I'll risk it for the scones.
We add a lot, not a lot, but we add sugar definitely to the fill.
Okay.
And then it kind of bleeds through into the cherries.
Okay.
So it kind of gives you that nice balance between the tart and the sweet.
Yeah, what we're talking about is I'm gonna try the sour cherry pie, but I'm not into overly tart. Right now, everything in Niagara Falls down here, the peaches in season, but we're gonna go with the sour cherry, man. How do we find you on social media?
You can visit us at our website at thepieguys.com. We're just in Port Colborne. You can Google us as well. We're on social media just as The Pie Guys.
Okay. We'll check you out, man. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
You see watermelon, man. We got some watermelon there. Celery, eggplant, cabbages, carrots. It's all kind of niceness going on here, boy.
What type of grapes are these?
Seedless Mornington grapes.
Okay, so they're not the Concords, eh?
Concords everybody pulled out.
Really, yeah?
Fine Concord.
Not yet?
Concord everybody pulled out.
They don't plant it anymore, you're saying?
Nobody grows Concord.
Would I be able to try one of these?
Of course.
Yeah?
Definitely. Just a second.
I was gonna.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Pulled out because government sponsored some program.
Yeah.
Pull out the grapes and then we plant.
Also, this is the one, the Coronation replaced the Concord, you're saying?
That's big, eh?
Wow.
Beautiful.
Those are the cutest sandals in the world.
They're very much like Concords.
But no pips.
Yeah,
And,
a little sweeter.
and freeze them, and it's like eating candy frozen. They are
You can freeze them.
You can freeze them and
Take them out in the winter time.
That's cute. Try it. You don't have to eat it if you don't like it.
Stay cool.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. You?
These are all children's bracelets that I make,
Okay.
and they're all interchangeable, so you can pop out the centers.
Okay.
I got them when he was small.
Yeah, he's a little too tiny for bracelets at the moment. We'll have to come back in a couple years. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Nice day.
They said don't touch. The plums, man. Look at the flat peaches. Those are plums. They just happen to get the color here, that's why. She just paid $7 for the same grapes, man.
There is sea salt caramel. This one is a mix of sea salt caramel and score toffee. That's how Ash has to look. And there's a couple. Some have M&Ms. Yeah, this is just sea salt caramel and score toffee. This one is M&Ms and score, chocolate chip and score toffee, and then this is all sea salt caramel and then sea salt. And then there's some M&Ms in here too. You have to kind of look.
Ooh, what is this little party pack here?
So that's got, so it's got like one of each of the bars. It's got some tarts in it, cookies, brownies, little.
How you doing, man? Good. Anything that stands out as far as honey goes? Any sort of strange flavors or anything? Well, strange to me
We
anyway.
have our own beehives, we do our own honey.
Okay.
The strangest flavor we probably have here is coconut and pineapple. It's been
Coconut pineapple?
in the bottle. Goes great in mixing drinks, so for ice cream, oatmeal, basically any occasion.
Okay.
Fantastic in that. We also do our own nut butters. We have a ton of different other varieties of honey, as you see on this table here.
Now, with the coconut pineapple, I guess it's blended with coconut and pineapple.
Yep, so we use a very high grade flavoring from coconut and pineapple, and infused with the honey, so it doesn't separate at all, but you get a nice, delicious flavor.
Yeah.
As opposed to like a separation you see after like a week.
Yeah.
This won't separate for like months.
Okay. How much would it go for?
So for this size here, it goes for $8.50. We also offer in a cream form, but the sun got to it first, so that's also $8.50.
Oh, okay. It's interesting, man. You guys don't do any sort of herb honey, do you?
No, we are doing.
No, I mean like ganja.
No, not yet.
You got some interesting stuff, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. You? Look at the tiny eggplant. Eh? Hey, there's the shishitsu peppers.